Hello everyone, welcome to the GCSE Maths exam sprint series, rapid fire revision to get you exam ready fast. Here's another possible exam style question on inequalities. It's a relatively easy one, but you get these kind of questions earlier in GCSE papers. Pause the video and do the question. When you're ready for the answer, continue the video. Part 1. Solve the inequality 7x take away 3 is more than 18. Now, when you solve inequalities, you do this the same way you solve equations, but only thing is you have to put the correct sign. Now, the opposite of negative 3, you are going to add 3 to both sides. These two gets cancelled out. So 7x is more than 18 and 3 is 21. Now you can divide both sides by 7. The two 7s get cancelled out and you get x is more than 3. That's the answer for the first part. Second part. X is a whole number or an integer such that 7x minus 3 is more than 18. Write down the smallest value of x. Now we know x is more than 3. It could be 10, it could be 20, it could be a million, it could be any number more than 3. But what is the smallest whole number more than 3? The smallest value of x will be 4, because that's the next integer after 3.